Hey there brainy explorers, today, we're traveling 5,000 years back in time to meet the world's first calculator, the Abacus. Buckle up, explorers, we're about to count our way into history. Before calculators or phones, humans needed to count everything, sheep, coins and even stars, but doing math was super slow, so, our heroes asked, how can we make this faster? Brainy explorers, let's meet the ancient inventors who solved this puzzle. The first counting tool was the Sumerian sand board. Around 2700 BCE, the Sumerians in Mesopotamia invented a clever trick. They drew numbers in sand or clay, but when the wind blew, the numbers vanished. So they tried something new. Centuries later, the Greeks and Romans used a counting board, a flat surface with grooves and small stones. Slide the stones left or right to add and subtract. It wasn't an abacus yet, but it was a game changer. Around 2,000 years ago, the Chinese perfected the abacus. They called it the sunpan, a wooden frame with beads on rods. Slide the beads up and down, and click-clack, math done. The sunpan was so useful, it traveled across trade routes to Japan, Korea, and even Russia. Each country made their own version, like the Japanese soroban and the Russian skotty. The impact was that math got supercharged. For thousands of years, the abacus was the best tool for math. Merchants used it to count money, sailors to navigate the seas, and scholars to study the stars. With calculators and computers around, you might think the abacus is gone. But nope, in parts of Asia and Africa, people still use it every day, some even race to solve problems faster than a calculator. Fast forward hundreds of years, a genius named Blaise Pascal built a machine with gears and wheels, the first mechanical calculator. It could add numbers all by itself. But that's a story for episode 2. That's all for today, brainy crew. Next time, meet Blaise Pascal, the calculator king who built a machine that could add. Will his invention change the world? Stay tuned to find out. Thanks for watching, smash that subscribe button, and let's keep exploring the history of computers together.